Hi, my name is Dr. Jared Hendershot. I'm a chiropractor here at Pearson and Weary Pain Clinic. Today I wanted to touch on when we have injuries, how we feel during that injury, kind of the psychological component of the injuries that we have. I shared before, but I was an athlete, a student athlete. When I had first experienced chiropractic care, I was a wrestler, and I had injured my low back, and I went to go see a chiropractor because Mama knew best, and she decided to take me over to a chiropractor. And I want to acknowledge the psychological toll that it plays on somebody to be hurt. When we're injured, we want one thing, and that's to get better. I truly see that all the time. Patients coming in, they are almost desperate to do whatever it takes to try and get better. And I don't take that lightly. I think that's a very special thing to be able to work on patients and try and help them to achieve wellness, to achieve recovery and rehabilitation. So a lot of times when we are injured, we feel a lot of discouragement. We wonder if this is ever going to get better. We kind of go into a dark place sometimes, especially if those symptoms, the pain and the discomfort lasts a long time. We feel a lot of discomfort and discouragement around those things. So I guess this video or this topic, I just kind of want to talk about holding on to hope. Little wins are always a win. It's really, really cool to watch patients that haven't been treated in a long time. They've been dealing with symptoms for a long time, and they come in and they see a little bit of improvement. In fact, I recently had a patient who'd been dealing with low back pain for about 6 months, and she had done physical therapy, she had done massage therapy, and this was the first time she'd been in for chiropractic for this condition. And so we did our initial exam, we kind of assessed what was going on. And we found things that these other practitioners hadn't found, where truly she had pain in one place and we treated somewhere else. There's a saying amongst chiropractors that says, "He who treats the side of pain is lost." And that really stuck with me because there are so many conditions. The body is a system. If we can really treat the entire system as a whole and go to the root cause of conditions, I think that goes a long ways, and we find good success doing that. But back to kind of my original idea of the discouragement that's felt when we're dealing with an injury or discomfort or any misalignment. I just wanted to touch on there is hope. There are options. Whether that option is chiropractic care, whether that option is we see something that maybe you'd be better suited going somewhere else. There's always options, and there's always a chance to get improvement. And I stand as a testament to that. I was able to go through chiropractic care, with different sports injuries and find resolution. And I've even been to massage therapy and some other places. So there's resolutions out there. I want to be the one to help you find that resolution.